Today we have a lot of animals. Are you ready to learn? Let's start the video. The first one is a white polar bear. This is a white polar bear. This is a white polar bear. The next one is a rhino. This is a rhino. This is a panda. This is a panda. P is for panda. This is a wolf. This is a wolf. This is a lion. This is a lion king. This is elephant. This is a horse. This is a horse. This is a gorilla. This is a gorilla. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. This is a bear. This is a kangaroo.